How to have one color bar for all subplots. I've spent entirely too long researching how to get two subplots to share the same y-axis with a single color bar shared between the two in matplotlib. What was happening was that when I called the color bar function in either subplot 1 or subplot 2, it would auto-scale the plots such that the color bar plus the plot would fit inside the subplot bounding box, causing the two side-by-side plots to be two very different sizes. To get around this, I tried to create a third subplot which I then hacked to render no plot with just a color bar present. The only problem is, now the heights and widths of the two plots are uneven, and I can't figure out how to make it look okay. Here is my code.
Just place the color bar in its own axis and use subplots_adjust to make room for it. As a quick example, note that the color range will be set by the last image plotted that gave rise to M, even if the range of values is set by Vmin and Vmax. If another plot has, for example, a higher max value, points with higher values than the max of M will show in uniform color.
Using make_axis is even easier and gives a better result. It also provides possibilities to customize the positioning of the color bar. Also note the option of subplots to share X and Y axes.
You can simplify Joe Kington's code using the ax parameter of figure.colorbar with a list of axes. From the documentation, ax none, parent axes objects from which space for a new color bar axis will be stolen. If a list of axes is given, they will all be resized to make room for the color bar axis.
This solution does not require manual tweaking of axis locations or color bar size, works with multi-row and single-row layouts, and works with tight_ layout. It is adapted from a gallery example using image grid from matplotlib's axis grid toolbox.